You're watching Local 5 News. We are Iowa.
Chilling evidence emerging of a Russian killing spree in northeastern Ukraine. ABC visiting a mass burial site with hundreds of wooden crosses in a forest near a city recently liberated by Ukrainian forces. Officials saying some of the victims show signs of torture. ABC News there to witness investigators carefully dig up bodies.
The forensic team here have just removed the body of a man from one of the unmarked graves, and it's obvious that he had his hands tied behind his back.
Ukraine's prosecutor general saying more than 34,000 war crimes have now been recorded throughout 6 months of war, saying many torture chambers have now been found in newly liberated land.